Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are very fine with good health at your home. Inshallah. Dear students, today your second geo class. I hope all of you have learned the topic which we have discussed last class, the course content which we have marked. From that, the first topic we have discussed about the world in fact and the mapping of the city rules of the world, right? So today we are going to start the next topic for the class. Clear? So our next topic, before going to start, I gonna revise some facts about languages. Major languages we have done, we have discussed about the formula for richest countries, but today we will do the first formula of major languages, right? So come to your book page number 10. Okay, from your book page number 10, this is the topic of major languages, right? We have done the formula for richest country. Today we will do the word major languages. Remember, I have told you in the last class that write down a word Sehsra Bapmep, which I have already write in the Urdu as well. So I'm gonna explain now that, okay? आज जो है हम उसकी explanation करेंगे कि उसमें हमने जो लिखा है वो क्या है. Major languages, the word which we have written, that is Sehsra Bapmif, Be, Pe, Mim, Fe, right? Sehsra Bapmif, the word which we have written. Remember, in English I am going to write, okay, I have written in both English and Urdu. Now look at here class. First of all, what you guys you will do, we are going to halve this word like this into two parts, okay? Sehsra Bapmif. For example, the first part which we are going to take, that is Sehsra. ठीक है? The word Sehsra, the C for Chinese, E for English, H for Hindi, S for Spanish, R for Russian. These are about the name of the language. A for Arabic. Okay, Arabic. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the first 6 languages from major languages of the world. Clear? Now we are going to write the next 5 languages. B, P, M, I and F. Right? The B for Bengali, P for Portuguese. This is the one word M-I. M and I. The language name is Malay. Malay Indonesia. Malay Indonesia is the name of the language. In the language of major languages, Malay Indonesian is the language of number 9. So why they have used the 2 words? Because Malay is also the name of the language which is spoken other countries as well, in the countries of Africa continent. Malay also spoken in Malaysia as well. It is also spoken in the northern countries of other countries. For example, it's a Kenya language as well. कई जगहों पे ये बोली जाती हैं. So the language which is included in the major languages, that is that Malay which is spoken in Indonesia only. Right? G. There is a one reason behind, they can say that the Indonesia is a 4th largest country by population. Maybe that is the cause of this language on number 9. Clear? So that is a Malay Indonesian. That language which is spoken in Indonesia, that Malay is on number 9. And F for French. French is the language of number 10. Clear? ये top 10 major languages हैं. Now when you learn this word, so आपको languages का sequence गलत नहीं होगा. The language which is we have on number 1, that is Chinese. On number 7, that is Portuguese or Bengali. So that is must be learned according to the sequence. Okay. Now coming towards the next topic from the world in fact. So here we have the definitions: island, lake, forest and rainforest, right? Island. What is island? Island is the name of the place which is surrounded by water. The piece of land which is surrounded by water is called island. A piece of land. Lake, which is the area of water surrounded by land, is called lake. Large area of land that is thickly covered with trees. Rainforest is found in the area near the equator and are warm. Rainforests receive a lot of rain. It's also called equatorial and tropical forest. The trees in the rainforest have a rapid growth as compared to the other forests. This definition you also learn. Clear class? Must be. Okay. Now coming towards the next page, number 12. City shape our lives. ठीक है? These are also the list of the cities from 1 to 60 cities all over the world. But what we will do, we will just learn first 10. Clear? So we also have a formula for these first 10 as well. For example, the first 5. When we are going to take a half, the first 5, the formula for those city rules. Note down with yourself. City rule. City shape. City shapes. City shape का फार्मूला है, उसमें 1 to 5 के लिए हम करते हैं फार्मूला फॉर 1 to 5 cities. 1 to 5, ठीक है. When you are going to write here, इसलिए 1 to 5 मैंने लिखा ताकि आपको याद हो हमें फर्स्ट 5 नेम्स के लिए किया है. So what will be? You can change the wording. It's not a big issue. If you have learned easily, you can do. Neelam lost path to home. Home. Neelam lost path to home. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hong Kong. Clear? So look. N for New York. L for London. P for Paris. Right? Paris. T for Tokyo. And H for Hong Kong. HO. ठीक है? HO for Hong Kong. These are the name of the cities, which is the first 5 important cities of the world. What does it mean? Means they said whenever we give a choice to anybody, you have a chance to go the visit in 2 cities all over the world. So which 2 you will be selected? Clear? तो उसमें कहा जाता है आप जिसे भी कहेंगे वो इनमें से कोई ना कोई 2 नाम ज़रूर बोलेगा. ठीक है? Now coming to the second 6 to 10. Clear? 6 to 10 के लिए आपके पास आएगा look some cows sitting there. THERE there. Okay? Look LSCST. Look Los Angeles. Some Singapore. Cow Chicago. Seoul sitting. Toronto there. Clear? These are the formula. Okay, clear now? This is the formula for these 2 which we have done, major languages and city shape our life. Learn it at home with the spellings and the numbers. ठीक है? आज के लिए इतना ही. यही आपका होमवर्क भी है जो आपने याद करना है. Inshallah we will start the Africa continent in the next class. Till then, good, take care of self. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Okay beta, all the best. Thank you.